this one should be happening on Saturday. Now at the right we have the Queen Victoria statue, which was put there in 1887. And now at the left we have the public exit from the castle, which is King Henry VIII gate. But in historical times there were murder holes in the arch, which was used to pour boiling hot tar and oil to the intruders trying to break into the castle. But it's just the same castle gates, and it goes to the Pepper Horse statue on Snowhill. We are not allowed to drive here, only royal people and people attending to royal events can, and it is a known fact that Queen occasionally drives herself here with her green Jaguar. The horse is actually made out of 25 tons of melted bronze cannons, so I have no clue why it's called a horse, but yeah. And now at the left we have all this ground, which is basically the Queen's back garden. Daniel and Storm, and these are the Queen's horses, and this was